Masaba khumnaba
Three blocks, sir. We have a fourth one, sir. And this side of the
Actually, something you have to come and see. You know, I've obviously heard about it, which is why I'm here. So I think when I look at all of them and the energy and the entrepreneurship that we see, this, you know, a lot of what Modi ji is trying to do is to make sure that the opportunities are there for Nari Shakti in India also to make its fullest contribution. This is a very historical example of it. So we should all take inspiration from this place. So I'm really very pleased to see that. The role of the INA is something which has you know, not always got the fullest recognition. So it is something which in recent years the younger generation is appreciating more and more. So I am going there actually to also see for myself what is a very important part of our history.